13th French Cup title after winning 1-0 against Saint Etienne earlier today. Neymar scored the winner just 14 minutes into the game. Meanwhile, forward Kylian Mbappe was forced off the pitch after suffering an ankle injury following a tackle in the first half. Atalanta's race for the Serie A title is still alive after managing a 1-1 draw against AC Milan. Atalanta are now 5 points behind league leaders Juventus with 2 games remaining. And F1 has announced that the Imola, Portimao, and Nürburgring circuits have been added to the 2020